Okay, so we're doing 2.4 applications with percent. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, thank you. I wasn't recording. Now I am. Okay, so the application of percent. So convert to decimal. Did anybody from this class actually see the recording? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah? Oh, okay. Is it because you're absent or you just want to review? Okay. No, which is fine, right? That's what it is for. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, I remember you were absent one day, which is fine. And I thought that was very responsible that you check out the recording. Yeah. Okay, so what would you do here? Divide by 100, meaning you just don't use the percent symbol. So I have 5 only, and then what do? Move to decimal to the left. So before 5 is here. So 5.0. So 1, 2. Right? So what is this? 0.05. So you can write it as 0.05 or 0.05. These two are the same. Yeah, 0.05 and 0.05 are the same. Yes? So we just move 2 decimals to the left. 1, 2. So the decimal now is here. Now what about 1.45%? So this is your original. So what do you do to it? To the left? 1, 2. So this will be 0, 1, 4, 5. And then I could put a 0 here, right? Okay, maybe let me put the 0.32% down here. So I'm just rewriting those. Now 0.32%. 1, 2, that's it. Okay, so what do you have? 0.0032. Okay, that's right. And last one? Pretty simple, right? You just have to remember. Yeah. Okay, B. How about if you convert to percent? What do? What do? Multiply by 100%, right? Okay. So B, converting decimal to percent. So what you do is N, you multiply by 100 and then attach the percent. Okay, so you practically multiply by 100. What do you mean multiply by 100? Move the decimal. Yes. Move decimal to the okay, and then attach the percent. All right, that's it. Yeah. So, for example, suppose we have 0.48. Convert to percent. 3/5. Oh, this one you have to change the decimal first. 0.00057. And then 2.1. All right. Okay, so tell me guys, what do you do? So 0.48 is, what do we do? So move the decimal 2 units, so this is 48%. Okay, so multiply by 100, right? Okay, so let's do the decimal first. What about this one? 0.00573, what do you do? So what is this? 0.0573%, right? So two decimals to the right. What about 2.1? 210%. Yes. 3/5? Oh, so we have to change this to decimal first, right? 0.6. And then what? 1, 2. So 60%. Yes. Is this doable? Yeah. Continue, right? Now solving percent problems. So solving a simple percent problem. So that's the next one. Yeah. B. Oh, see? Yes. Sorry. Oh, gosh. I thought I was okay. Oh, I already took Excedrin, by the way. Solving percent problem. Yeah, so today I think I need rest. So after this class, I'm going to give a test and then I'm going to go home. Go to doctor. Yeah. All right. So the first one is just by translating. So you could do it by translating. There's 2 methods. Or the second one is by using proportion. So this is method 1. This is method 2. Using proportion. So sometimes translating is easier. Sometimes when you use proportion, it's easier. So it depends. Yeah, if one doesn't work, try the other one. Okay. So just say what percent of 150 is 39. So we could use calculator also actually here. So we could get the decimal easily. Yes. So this is chapter 2, so yes. Chapter 2, yes. Yeah. Chapter 1, no. Last test, no. This test, yes. So what percent of 150 is 39? So how do you translate this? What percent, so this is X, but then I know my answer has to be changed to percent of, what does of mean? Multiply by 150, so of this multiplication is 39. Alright, so 150X is 39. Alright, then what? Divide both sides by 150. Okay. So now you can use your calculator. What is 39 divided by 150? 39 divided by 150 is 0.26. Alright. Is this my answer? No, I have to change it to percent. Yes. So 0.26 is how many percent? 26%? Yes. Alright. Good. So this is how you want to answer it in percent. Okay. Now, how do you use the proportion here? So using proportion is P over 100 is equal to part over whole. Okay. So P is P percent. So P is percent. So P is the number before the percent. So in this case, what would you do here? How do you write it? This problem for number 1. Yeah. Do I know P? No, I don't. So I'm going to write P over 100. Yeah. Do you know the part? Which one? 39, and the whole is 150. Okay. So this is writing using proportion. So when we use proportion, what do? We cross multiply. Yes. So same thing here. 150p is 3900. Okay. Then divide both sides by 150. So P is 26. So how many percent? 26%. Yeah. So P, remember this is P percent. Okay, so P is the number in front of the percent. Okay?
How do we get 100?
Huh?
How do we get 100?
Where is 100? This one? Oh, this is the proportion. So you have to use this. So you have to use this. It's always 100. Yeah, it's like technically it's like a formula. Yeah. Yes. So P over 100. Oh, do you know what I did here? I cross multiply, right? P times 150, which is 150p. 100 times 39 is 39. This is called proportion. That's why we could cross multiply. Does everybody know that? Yeah. So this is proportion. This is a ratio equal to another ratio. That's why this is called a proportion. And we could cross multiply. So which one's easier? I think both are easy. Yeah. So you could choose either one. Yeah. It's just you have to remember if you're using the P is the number in front of the percent. So it's not P and then you change this to percent. This is 26%. Yeah. 26%. Okay. Good.
What if sometimes in the column they give you?
Say it again.
What if sometimes in the column they give you?
Then you could find part of, well, there's another problem, so let's do this. Yes. So next, number 2. No more. Not so number 3. Oh no, number 2. Is it? Yeah. Okay. 54 is 24% of what number? So let's do it by translation and let's do it by proportion. See which one you like. And you could do either one, but I just want to make sure you know both, because sometimes it's easier to use one method. So 54 is 24% of what number? How do you answer this? 54 is equal to 0.24 times office times x. Okay, good. And then how do I solve for x? Divide both sides by 0.24. Okay, so what is x equal to? Let's see, 54 divided by 0.24. 225? Okay, do I have to change this to percent? No, because the question is asking what? What number, not what percent. Yeah, so the number is 225. Okay. Good. So this is your answer. The number is 225. Now, how do you do it using the other method? So again, P over 100 is equals to part over whole. Right? Okay. So do I know P? Yeah, it is P, 24. So 24 over 100. Part, which one is part? 54. And the whole? X. We don't know what the whole is. What number? The total. The whole is the total. Yeah, so then same thing. 24x is 5,400. So X is 225 also, isn't it? Yeah. So same thing, yeah. Does that answer your question, Solomon? Yeah. So you just put it as a P here. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now, next, number 3. You try it, I guess, right? What number is 35% of 240? And then number 4, 24 is what percent of 96? All right. Okay, good. So let me see the indirect connection. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for you. Can you do number 3 and 4, please? Okay. So already, how do you translate number 3? So this is your X is equal to 0.35 times 240. Finish. And then you just calculate what X is. What is it? 84? Thank you. Done. So the number is 84. 24 is what percent of 96? 24 is what percent? X times 96. But I want my answer to be in change to percent. Right? Okay. So how do I solve for X? Divide both sides by 96. Yes. So X is equal to 0.25, which is 25%. Finish. Should we do it using the other method, or you guys are okay? You're okay? Yeah? Okay. So part P over 100 is equal to part over whole. So these steps are simpler percent problems. Yeah. So remember in Math 110, you talk about sales tax, commission, tips. Okay, so about tips. Let's talk about tips. So we will see it again here. Okay. Yeah. Good. So now C or D? D. D. Okay. D. Okay. So D. More applications on percent. So this talk about maybe sales tax, commission, discount, etc. Yeah. Okay. So Okay, so this is a little bit different. Yeah. So what is it that you have to remember? So sales tax is what? Tax rate, right? Times the purchase price. Yes. Purchase price. Yes, you're right. So this is tax rate. You multiply by purchase price. So what's the total that you have to pay? The purchase price plus the tax. Yes. The total price, of course, the original price plus tax. Maybe I should just say the original price or purchase price. Purchase price would be fine? Okay. So, for example, I have these questions. Yes. So, a bill, this is actually number 81 from the book. Page, in my book, so depending on your edition, in my book, this is page 107. So let me just write it. If you have a different version, you will for sure find it. It's just that maybe not number 81, maybe number 83. Okay, so actually it's not a problem. So a bill at office land total $47.70. How much did the merchandise cost if the sales tax is 6%? So when they say sales tax, what is it that actually they mean here? Is this the sales tax or the tax rate? This 6%, this is the sales tax or the tax rate? Yes, so remember, yeah. So remember, this is tax rate. This one. Even though the way it's recorded, it's the sales tax. It's the tax rate. All right. So you have to remember, whenever they say, in the language, whenever they say sales tax, you have to watch out. It might be referring to tax rate. So how do you think you do this? Oh, did we ever talk about what problem? Yes, we did, right? Oh, this is the first time. Oh, this is the first time? Oh, okay. So I'm going to do the steps, and then I'm going to, after this problem, I'm going to write down what do we do in each step. So basically, in step 1, we declare the variable. We define the variable. Define the variable. What do I mean by that? Well, you have to give definitions to your variables. All right? So let's define the variables. So what is the biggest clue to where to define the variable? Look at the question. What is the question asking? Okay, so how much did the merchandise cost? So that is your X. So X is, no, I'm not going to write how much does the merchandise cost. I'm going to write down what? The original cost. Does it mean it includes tax or no? No. The original cost of the merchandise, right? Or the original price. You want me to write longer? I could write longer. You could just say the original price, period. Then of the merchandise. Good. Now, if the original merchandise is X, what about the tax? How much tax does the person pay? Do we know how much the sales tax is? So just say, okay, just say the merchandise is $100. Okay, just think you like shoes, $100 shoes. The tax is 6%. How much is the sales tax? The tax rate is 6%. So just say you have a Nike shoes. Nike shoes is usually how much? 100 something, 120? So shoes, let's just say $100. Okay? And then the tax is 6%. When I say tax and I give you percent, what does it mean? Does it mean the tax or the tax rate? Tax rate, yes. So remember, the tax is 6%. Okay? Now the question is, how much is the tax? Do we know the tax? Which is what? You don't know? So you only pay 6 cents? So if your shoes is $100, and then you have to pay tax, right? You can't just buy shoes without paying tax. And then your tax rate is 6%. How much tax do you have to pay on these shoes? $6, that's right. How much is your total price? Right. Okay. Now, my question is, what is the original price here? 100, and this is your tax rate. So you have, so this is 0.06 times 100. So here, if your original price is, what is your original price here? X, right? And your tax rate is 6%. So what is your tax? What is the sales tax that you have to pay? Huh? Oh, this is percent. Any idea? Point what? 2.86? How do you get 2.86? Okay, we don't even know the original price, do we? We call it X, right? Now, the tax rate is 6%. So it's 6% of what? 6% of what? Of the original price, isn't it? So the tax rate here, this is 6% of the original price. So how do you write that? So the tax rate is 6% of the original price. So in this case, what would you have to write here? 0.06 times X. Yes. So it just says 6% of the original price. How do you translate this? 6%. Translate 6%. 0.06 off times the original price. X. We call it X. That's why this is 0.06 times X. Does that make sense? So it's not just 6%. It's not just 0.06, but it is 0.06 times X. So remember this. You have to multiply by the original price. Make sense? We're not done. Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will, but we're not done here. Yes. But do you get it? No? Which part you didn't get? Oh, I'm just following the one in the book. So this wording. So this wording, a bill at office land, blah blah blah. Those are. This is from the book. So that's how the book worded, right? So I didn't make up my own. No, it's harder. Yeah. So how did he word something like this? No, you cannot plug it in because what you know. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, what we know is the total. So this includes your tax already. So what we want to find is the original, right? If this is your original price, then you can just multiply 6% times 47 times 70. But this is not the original price. This is the total price, which includes the tax. That's why you cannot multiply 6% times this. So it's like you're paying tax of your tax. No, right? You're paying tax? Good question. So you're paying tax of the original price. You're not paying tax of the total price. Yes? So this gives you the total. But does it say total here? Oh yeah, it does. So this is total, meaning you pay tax already? Included. So you're not going to pay tax 6% times this. Okay? So this one already includes your tax. Okay, so are we okay so far? Get a better idea? Somewhat. So your tax is not out of total, your tax is out of the original price. Yeah? Okay, good. Now, step 2, we usually draw a diagram or table, but we're going to skip it. There is nothing to draw. There is no table to make. If you have a rectangle, then you probably draw a rectangle, but this is not. Now, what is your equation? Okay, plus 0.06x. What is your equation? Is this correct? So this is the equation. So let's start with the purchase price plus the sales tax is equal to the total. Yes. Right? Which is, so this is your original price. Oh, I have to write the number here. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to put 47.7. So original price plus the sales tax is equal to the total price. This one doesn't look familiar? So what did you do in the summer?
Like he was a problem like this, but he'd explain like all the formulas for each. Yeah. We had a sales tax formula, and then we had an original price formula, and then we had a total price formula.
There is no formula for the original price.
Like 4 formulas.
Yeah, he's the whole. Yeah, he's
Oh, like, okay. The total price formula, okay. The total price is just original price plus sales tax, right? There is no formula for original price. And for sales tax, I gave you the formula. It is tax rate times the purchase price. That's the only formula that we have. Right. So, yeah, those are what I said. So we have this one formula, right? Sales tax is tax rate times purchase price, is it? Okay. And then total, think about total price. Do I have to write it? Total price is equal to original price plus sales tax. I have to write that? Yeah, but you know, right? What is total price? Your original price plus the tax. So you want me to write it? Then I'll write it. Oh, where is this? Where is my notes? Oh my gosh. Where? Oh my gosh, where is it? The untitled? No. Do I just lose it? Where is it? Yeah, but where is it? I'm in trouble. Okay, I didn't even save it yet, right? Go down? No, this is 2.3. Where? Where should I find it? On the arrow, this one? New section 1? No. Unified or unfiled notes? No. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, let's write it again. No, not this one, right? No. Okay. No. This one? No, this is not the one. I have to, this one I saved already. See, I lost it. No, not this one. That's why I don't like this. I couldn't find my notes. Can you guys help me? Somebody come up here. Yeah. It's gone? Where is back? It doesn't work. Save as. Okay. Where? Okay. Open. Where? No, it's just gone, right? It's here. It doesn't work. How do you retrieve it? Okay, let me close the recording first. Okay. No, I'm not. Oh, here. Grasp of basic function? No, not this one. Hold on. Okay.